darling. What is this box gonna be, huh?
I wonder what it is.
Ooh, it
We got
is.
something.
It is.
We got books. We got
books.
Oh, I love foam. I love foam.
We got foam.
I am in love
What
with
is
foam.
this Huey box? It is about my body and me.
I want to open this
And
a book.
Amazing Anatomy book. Wait, hold on. Don't open it yet.
I want to touch it.
You want to touch it? What does it feel like?
Snow.
It's snow.
Yeah, I love snow.
Or clouds? Do you think the clouds feel like that too? Oh,
Feels like
so
a polar bear.
fluffy.
Feels like a polar bear.
Oh my God. How about a hat?
I did that with my mouth, guys. And my
Okay.
heart.
What else is there? Excuse me.
I'm gonna fall asleep. I heard Tucky.
All right, let's put that over there.
I'm just gonna snuggle.
You're gonna snuggle with it. Come on. Okay, what else is in this cool little box?
You mean kiwi box?
Kiwi box.
We did a few.
Yeah.
We have done a few.
Yeah. And now we decided to show
Wait, is this a headband?
your followers. It looks like it. I wonder what that's gonna be for.
Wait,
Huh?
I think it's for the stethoscope.
Oh, okay. Let's see. We don't know.
Hopefully
yet.
there's soft, something soft.
Let's see what else is in this box.
It like hits my choker. I'm gonna get off my choker so it doesn't hit me
Okay.
with those things.
All right. Okay.
I'll feel my stress.
And now little pieces here and there.
Little pieces that are like that.
Okay.
Little
some yarn.
scrunchies. Oh, googly eyes! A straw.
Yes. Some kind of little tube. Some more little tubies.
It is.
That. So we and an erasable marker. So we're probably gonna use it on that.
Probably.
Yes. And then what is this?
What we're gonna cut it?
Oh. Ooh. I wonder what all this is for.
Hey, boy.
And oh, there it is.
There's.
Ooh, a
Oh,
big.
guys, we should move you so we can have much space.
So we can have more space.
Right.
Oh.
Let's move the kiwi.
Look at this.
Ah, it's like bigger than us.
Yes, it
It's
is.
that big.
All right. Well, this should be
Oh,
exciting.
I was like, how do we tape it? from these, of course.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's follow the.
Wait, is
instructions.
something inside it?
Yeah. Oh, little Velcros.
Oh, it looks like they had googly eyes.
Googly eyes. Okay.
This is not enough.
Let's put it back in the box.
This is not enough.
And let's see. Where are the instructions? Over here. Are you ready to start? I take it that's a yes.
I'm in love with it.
No. All right, let's do this.
Okay, let me put
All right.
this here.
Okay. Follow.
Guys, it's like,
Look at your supplies here.
let's move this aside so they don't see it.
Yes. Okay.
There's a little tip that you see.
Clear tubes.
It's pointy.
Clear. Oh.
He hit me in the noggin. Don't hit me in the head.
I'm sorry. We're missing another tube.
I didn't do that.
Oh, right here. 3 tubes.
Sweet.
A T connector.
Tea?
T.
Like the
Which one of these could this little piece be? Go get your supplies. So, T connector.
T connect. T connector?
Does this look like a T?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What letter does this
Like
look like?
bubble tea.
What letter does this look like?
L.
Very good. And that's exactly what they called it. L connectors. We got 2 L
Wait,
connectors.
that little thing was part of it.
What little thing?
The thing that I
Oh,
put
here,
my
let's
mouth
not-
on, like.
Right. No.
That was.
You did get it from here, huh?
Yeah.
And where is it? Okay.
Oh, I got some.
Hairball?
Foam.
Oh.
Foam in my mouth.
Okay.
Let me go see if it's
We need a headband,
I can't.
earbuds. Oh boy.
No!
Earbuds.
No!
Okay.
I left it in the car.
Oh
No, I
boy.
didn't. Already, I didn't.
Yes.
Found it!
Yes.
Got
Okay. So bring that.
Not it.
What is that little thing called?
I don't know.
Stickers.
I put my clip inside it.
Oh, the little straw
In case
pieces.
you see that little black thing. See it like a cockroach? You see?
And let's see.
I accidentally put it in there because I didn't know it was. And it's moving.
Wow, we have a lot of stuff.
Just don't think, guys. It's not it. It's
Okay,
not
we
it.
get this paper. We have a funnel. Is that hair clip part of the...
No?
No.
It's
okay.
mine.
We get marker. We get yarn.
Because it's erasable.
We get, again, googly eyes. These are my favorite. And some Velcro.
Yeah, but there's not enough.
And some little
Bone posse.
bone cling stickers.
Wait. But what has these?
She does.
Let me bring
No, it's okay.
Huh.
Right now we don't need it. And what's your favorite one? Fluff! 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 And
I'm just going to snuggle with
a
this
checkup
circle.
card. Yes? All right. So this is what is in our crate. Let's see.
Our beard.
And guess what we're building first?
Mommy.
What do you think? I like your beard. Are you Santa?
No, it's
Are you Santa?
no.
What do you think we're gonna use this for? A headpiece?
Piece. Heart. Heart.
Heart?
We're gonna use it for the heart.
And what do we use to listen to the heart? A
So you put it here.
stethoscope.
Ah.
Oh,
So you
so
put
this
it
is what we're
through
gonna
one of
start
the-
with. We are gonna build a stethoscope.
You put it through one of the two. Oh, you put it through this one, then
All
then
right.
you put these together.
Yes. Okay.
From
Let's
the
follow the
little
instructions.
T.
Okay.
Ah.
So let's put everything back, and we're gonna see. Don't lose all the little pieces. Yes.
If it's
Okay. Let's put this back. Focus. Focus, child.
focus.
Focus, Daniel-san. Okay. Look. This is what we need. The stickers. Get the stickers.
I'm cutting foam.
Pay attention.
I'm cutting foam.
Okay. Stickers.
Those little things. You can like barely see it.
Funnel.
You see it?
Funnel.
They don't even see it. It's right there.
Clear tubes.
I mean, we see it when
T-connector.
because we're close and your guys are not. It's just a video.
Earbuds. Headband.
Headband. Like a regular headband.
Little straw pieces. Little straw pieces. Checkup card. And L connector. All right. We're ready to make our stethoscope.
Bruh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is somebody annoyed me? Is it a little fly?
Wake up. Wake up. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay. Let's start.
Okay.
Find the longest clear tube. Where's the longest clear tube? Push the narrow part of the funnel into one end of the tube as far
wanna
as
see
it
it?
will go. Look at the picture.
You don't see it, guys?
Can I see it? Okay, look.
Okay.
Look.
Nice.
Yes, very good, very
You
good.
have to go inside, not outside.
Inside. Okay, poke the bottom point of the T connector. Where's your T connector? T connector.
T? Oh, here's my T connector.
Into the other end of the long tube. Very good. Okay. All right, you got this. All right. But wait. Hold on. Push each of the short tubes into the other sides of the T connector.
I don't care.
You are going ahead of the instructions.
I already know how to do it.
Jeez. All right.
Hold on, I gotta fix it.
Now what?
Everything's
Okay.
I got cotton in my mouth.
Why do you keep on? Ew! Why do you keep on getting hairballs? Okay, you need help? Here, let me put it harder because it doesn't. You need a little force. All the way here. T connector. Uh-oh. Don't
You
lose
know
a
the
little
piece
piece.
is under here.
What's next, baby girl? The other side. Oh, I see what this is coming.
A stethoscope.
All right, let's see.
What did it
Okay.
looks quite weird because
Grab one of the short tubes and the headband. Oh, I see. Line up the end of the tube with the end of the headband.
like this.
So, like this and like this. Right? And then, exactly. Then you are going to tape it.
Get this.
Oh,
Now you can see it. Now you can.
Did I do it too long?
You don't see it? It's right when
They're just little stickers.
they don't see the rest. Cause it's like invisible.
I don't know. It's not the same size. Okay, well, I guess we'll do it like this.
It's okay.
All right, go ahead and get a little sticker and put these two together. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Now
And now the
getting
other
that-
side.
Wait, where's it?
Where's the sticker? Okay, and now the other
I can
side.
tell it wasn't it.
Okay.
Guys, don't mind about that. That's my cousin. Let me show you.
No, it's okay. Leave it. Okay,
When we leave it on, she's gonna hang up.
it's okay. All right, here we are. Repeat to attach the other tube. Very good. Stop and check. This has to be in line like this.
Like,
Yes.
well, she's
Make sure both tubes are on the inside of the headband. The
Yeah.
tubes are on the inside of the headband.
Like,
Okay? And that all the ends are lined up evenly. If not, you can peel off the stickers and try again.
let's see.
Okay, the tubes are on the inside. Okay?
Fancy.
All right, look.
Fancy.
Now grab an L connector and push into one of the tubes.
Hey! I was just in the middle of doing my fashion show.
Okay?
Just use me.
It doesn't say anything about the little green piece, so
I'm just
okay,
gonna
go ahead
get
and
me,
push it inside the tube.
I was doing my fashion show.
Let me fix
I'm
this a
ready.
little tighter.
Locking in. Locking in. Fashion.
What language are you speaking?
French.
French.
I'm speaking like on there. Like on there.
Okay. Now put the L connectors inside the tube. Go ahead. Yeah, you want me to do it? Press hard until the connector's all the way in the tube. Very nice.
I made a fence.
Very nice. Slide a straw piece over one of the L connectors. Look.
Like this.
No, leave this one open like that. Like so. Now you're gonna put this on this side and oh no, not this piece again.
I found it.
And then get the earbuds.
These don't look like earbuds. Well, I mean they do, but Where's the open? I found the open.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay,
There's
give me the
something hard.
earbud. Give me one.
I'm gonna
And then
burn out
we
the other
put
one.
it like,
Oh, I know what that's for.
like this.
Like yours, you have those little earbuds things.
Not like that. Like this. Exactly. Like that.
Mom's
Okay,
a
doke.
nurse.
Okay, so here
My
we are.
mom's a nurse.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that inside our ear so it can be comfortable. We're not gonna put these.
Okay, so do the
It's gonna be
same.
too
Wait,
hard.
wait. You're missing the L connector. Do the same. No, not yet. Not yet. So L connector inside this side of the tube.
It is coming from the phone.
Very good. Okay. Wait. Look. You gotta do the same to this side. Here.
But I did.
No, we're missing the little green piece. Right? And then, very good. All right.
And the first step, I was like, I don't care about
All
it.
right. Gently place your earbuds into your ears. Are you going to listen to my heart? And listen to my thoughts? Can you hear my thoughts?
No.
Okay. All right. So now you're going to listen to my heart. Wait, hold on. Let's see.
I hear nothing. I hear.
What?
I hear a cricket.
Let me see if I hear.
I hear a cricket.
Let me see what I hear over
I
here.
hear a cricket.
All
I
right.
heard a cricket.
Hold on.
Ooh, I heard a cricket.
Come here.
Do we have to put it here or here?
Hold on.
Wait,
I hear you.
I put it on
You
the wrong side.
Oh, you should be able to hear it. It sounds perfect. This is the coolest thing ever.
How does?
I don't know. Okay. Okay, try now.
It worked.
You hear it? All right.
That's
So,
actually mad.
did it work? Did it work? Did it work?
Yeah.
How'd you like that? So what did we just make?
A stethoscope.
A stethoscope.
There's a